Hey everybody, happy Tuesday morning. Hey, great job yesterday. I want to tell you that I got some wonderful news. Each time I checked yesterday, I saw science grades that were awesome. I saw reading grades that were wonderful. And woo, that spelling test was tough and you all did a really good job. I'm so proud of you. So today, I'm going to take it a little bit easy on you, okay? We do have some science we're going to talk about. It's actually the beginning of lesson 2 today. And lesson 2 is all about how does light travel. Did you ever notice one of these? It's called a lighthouse. It's called a lighthouse because it has this giant light way up at the tippy top. And why is it way up there so high? Because a lighthouse is always near the beach. And if you were in a sailboat way out in the ocean and it was dark, would there be any streetlights? No. Would there be a sun? No. The moon maybe, but it doesn't make as much light, does it? In fact, it doesn't make light at all. It just kind of shines light from the sun, doesn't it? So people built the lighthouse and put a light way up high so that sailors could see that they were getting near to land and they wouldn't crash. So they would either follow the light to where they wanted to go, or they would stay away from it because they know that there's a beach there and the water's not deep enough for their boat. So let's also be thinking for a minute, if you've ever been on an airplane, did you ever notice that the windows on the airplane all have a shade? You can raise it up to make it open. You can push it down to close it. Why do you think some travelers want the shade? Well, I can tell you, I took a plane ride one time. It was very early in the morning when the sun was just coming up. And the plane took off and went up, up, up and through the clouds. And above the clouds, the sun was so bright that everyone in the plane lowered the shades. The sun up there was actually hurting our eyes. It was just too bright for us early in the morning, and everybody needed to lower the shade. Well, what do you think happened? Sure, it got a little different inside the plane, didn't it? So let's get up, ask a grown-up at home to help you, and go all around the room. Since we're not in school, you're going to go whatever room you're in and close all the curtains in that room. And can you describe what happens? I'll give you a minute. Why don't you pause the tape while you go around and close the drapes? Okay, so is it brighter in your room now or darker? Yeah, it got darker when you closed all the curtains, didn't it? Why? Because the light used to be shining through the window until you covered it up with the curtains, didn't you? So now take a look at this page. I'm going to show you a short little film. Only takes 12 seconds. But the person in this video has done exactly what you did, and watch what happened. Want to see that again? Now watch. There are actually 2 sets of curtains here. Do you see it? There's this curtain, the tan one, and do you see the light, thinner white one over there? And even at the beginning with the curtains open, I can see light coming through those white curtains, can't I? Now watch what happened. As we close the curtains, do we have more light or less light coming through? Was it easier or harder to see the woman that was standing at the window? So I want you to find this page, okay? It is in your science workbook, and it is right next to the page about Casey, and you'll see the picture of the lady and she's closing the curtains. And what do you wonder? All I want you to do is just finish this sentence. I wonder, what are you thinking? She closed those curtains. We did notice it got darker. What are you thinking? Use one of those question words. Why? Or how? Or what? Okay? And all you're going to do today is just finish that sentence. Come up with a good question that you hope we're going to learn about in the next few days. All right. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to have to get that login card that I gave you. Okay? You're going to have to get that login card. It's in your dojo portfolio. I am going to remind you one more time, I'm going to put a link on the class story page that has the address for the website for MyMath. Okay? You will need to do that, and you'll need to log in. And when you log in, you're going to click on the little picture of the math book, and over here in the homework section, you're going to see that there is a test for Chapter 8. Okay? Don't worry, it's only 6 quick little questions. And poof, before you know it, you'll be done. All right? Parents, you won't need to send me a picture of that. The website will notify me when the test is finished and give me the score. Okay? And then after that, you'll need a good laugh. You're going to go to this YouTube video. Today we're going to look at a video called Good Teamwork and Bad Teamwork. Well, this is a pretty funny but very short little video. Wait till you see how these birds are behaving. And then you'll be ready to hop off and grab yourself a quick snack or some lunch before we come back, because our Super Kids lessons for today are going to be exciting. We're going to start a brand new unit, and I can't wait to get going. So I'll see you in the next video.